The scariest part of a strange noise is not the noise. It is the silence after. A noise gives your brain something to explain. A pipe shifted, a floorboard settled, the wind touched the window. But silence gives your brain too many options. After the sound stops, your mind starts measuring the room. It asks where the noise came from, whether it was alone, and why nothing happened next. That last question is the one that gets under your skin. Why nothing happened next? Because a second sound would prove the first one had a pattern. But no second sound means your brain has to wait, and waiting is where fear grows. Suddenly, every small detail becomes evidence. The dark hallway is too still. The closet door looks more open than before. The air feels like it is holding its breath. This is why a single tap at night can feel worse than a loud crash. A crash ends the mystery. A tap starts one. And when the house goes quiet again, your brain does not hear peace. It hears something choosing not to move.